Happy Friday, everybody. I could not go into the weekend without doing one more video for all of you. So for this final video, the final video of October Lives, because we are going into November next week, I decided to rock with 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Now, people see problems like this and they look scary to people. People see these big numbers and they're like, oh, like it scares them. And rightfully so, because they do look scary. But if you know how to multiply single-digit numbers, multiplying 3-digit by 1-digit, 4-digit by 1-digit, very, very simple. And I'm going to explain and go into exactly how to go about doing it. So what you do, you simply multiply each of the numbers on top by the number on the bottom. So you're going to multiply each of these digits by 9. And just like addition and subtraction, you always start with the number that is in the ones place. So we're going to start out by multiplying 7 times 9. And to make it easier, a lot of times I'll even draw the single digit problem next to the 3-digit by 1-digit problem. So 7 times 9 equals 63. If you're not fluent with 1-digit multiplication, I would recommend using a multiplication table for this. All right, 7 times 9 is 63. Now, whenever we have a product, whenever we multiply two numbers and the answer is more than 10 or more, we have to regroup. All right, because we can't have two different digits in the ones place. So we do need to regroup. So the 3 in 63 is going to go in the ones place. And the 6 in 63 is going to go in the tens place. So the 6 we are going to carry over. All right, so now we multiply the digit in the tens place by 9. So we're going to multiply 8 times 9. That's what we do next. We're going to multiply 8 times 9. And then the 6 that we carried over, we are going to add that to our answer. So 8 times 9 is 72. Since we carried over the 6 from our last problem, we're going to add that to our answer. 72 plus 6 is 78. Now, again, our answer is more than 10, so we need to regroup. The 8 in 78 is going to go in the tens place. And the 7 in 78, we're going to carry over to the hundreds place. Just need to grab something right quick. Back in the screen now. All right. 7 times 9 now. So now we multiply the digit in the hundreds place times 9. So 7 times 9, again 63, plus 7 is 70. So now since there's no place to carry over numbers, we can just write the 70 in here. And we have our answer, 7,083. All right, now I am going to do another one. All right, 454 times 4. All right, here we go. So we start, we're going to multiply each digit by 4, and we always start with the digit in the ones place. So we're going to start off by multiplying 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is what we're going to start off with. So 4 times 4 equals 16. So again, when the product is 10 or more, we need to regroup. So 16 is more than 10. So the 6 in 16 is going to go in the ones place. The 1 in 16, we're going to carry that over to the tens place. Now we're going to multiply 5 times 4, and then we have to add the one that we carried over. So we multiply 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. We have to add this one that we carried over. 20 plus 1 is 21. So now the 1 in the number 21 is going to go in the tens place. The 2 in the number 21 is going to get carried over to the hundreds place. So now we have to multiply 4 times 4 again. And we have to add the 2 that we carried over. So 4 times 4 equals 16. Since we carried over the 2, we have to we need to add that to our answer. So 16 plus 2 equals 18. No place to carry any more numbers over, so we're going to put the 1 and the 8 in the spot. And we have our answer, 1,816. All right, I'm going to do one more, and then I am calling it a day. Well, one more, then we're done with the math. And obviously I am going to play some basketball because ball's life, right? Okay, let's say 289 times 3. So we always start by multiplying the digits in the ones place. We're going to start off by multiplying 9 times 3. So when we write the two numbers we're multiplying separately, for those that aren't sure. 9 times 3 equals 27. So again, 10 or more we have to regroup. 27 is more than 10, so we do need to regroup. The 7 and 27 is going in the ones place. The 2 in the number 27, we are carrying that over to the tens place. So now we are going to multiply 8 times 3. And we are going to carry, and then we have whatever after we get the answer to 8 times 3, we have to add 2 to our answer. So 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So again, we got to regroup. So the 6 and 26 goes in the tens place. The 2 and 26, we carry that over to the hundreds place. So now this is pretty simple multiplication to end it. We got to multiply 2 times 3, and then we got to add 2 to our answer. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. We have our answer, 867. So that's 3 problems. I don't want to end on 3. 3 is a lame number. I know I said that this was going to be my last problem, but for all of you loyal viewers, loyal listeners, I will do one more. I'll do one more. Why ended at 3, right? All right, 412 times 344. All right. Now, if you want to try this problem on your own, feel free to pause the video and give it a try. There is something that's a little bit different about this problem, the previous problems we did, but give it a try. Feel free to give it a try if if you feel confident to do this on your own. Oh, wait. On second thought, hang on. My mistake. I almost had all of you do a 3-digit by 3-digit number. I almost did that. 3-digit by 1-digit numbers is all we're going to go with. I had you there. I almost scared everybody. No, we're going to go with 3-digit by 1-digit numbers. We're not going to do 3-digit by 3-digit, 2-digit by 2-digit. We're not ready for that yet. All right, 412 times 4. If you want to try this problem, you can pause the video, give it a shot. All right. For those of you that want me to keep going, I'm going to keep going. 2 times 4, that's the first 2 digits that we have to multiply, because we always multiply the digits in the ones place first. So we start out by multiplying 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. So the 8 is going to go in the ones place. Now, we do not need to regroup. Why? Why do we not need to regroup? Well, we regroup when the product is 10 or more. Looking at the first 2 numbers in the ones place that we had to multiply, 8 is less than 10. So we do not need to regroup in the ones place here. We only regroup when the product is 10 or more. And since 8 is less than 10, we don't need to regroup. We can just put the 8 in the ones place. All right, so now the next thing we have to do, we got to multiply 1 times 4. Any number times 1 is the number itself, so 1 times 4 equals 4. Another little final problem. We got to multiply the digit in the hundreds place now. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So I'll write 16 by 16 in front of 48, and our answer is 1,648. All right, so now if you're saying to yourself, I don't know how to do, hang on, I wanted to grab something for you guys. Don't have it here handy. Oh, I see it. Now, if you're saying to yourself, I can't do the single digit multiplication, I'm not at a point where I instantly know 4 times 4 equals 16 or 3 times 8 equals 24. I'm not at a point where I'm fluent enough with my single digit multiplication facts where I can do that. 2 things. One, you do have the option of using a multiplication chart. I give a lot of my students that option. That's something that works well. So if you look here, this is a multiplication table. So whatever 2 numbers you need to multiply, say you need to multiply 4 times 4, you would move along one line with one finger, one line with the other finger, and then you would land on the number. But you can use a multiplication table while doing this, so that way the single digit facts, you can just look them up. Second thing, though, I would also encourage you guys to go to my multiplication lives and practice your multiplication fact families. Work to get better at the single digit multiplication, because as you can see, if you know how to multiply 1-digit numbers, it makes it a lot easier and it makes it a lot faster to multiply 3-digit by 1-digit numbers or multiply using multiple digits. It's a lot faster. It's a lot more efficient if you are fluent multiplying 1-digit numbers. It's still possible to get the right answer if you're not fluent with 1-digit numbers yet. It is still possible. You can use a multiplication table. You can draw arrays to figure out what the answer would be, but it would take a lot longer. It would be more challenging. It is doable, though. It's definitely doable. But that is my video for today. Well, that ends the math portion of my video. As always, I am going to end this video and this week with some basketball. This whiteboard, it's taken a lot of damage. I think it's probably sore from all the dunking I've been doing on it. So I'm just going to dunk straight up. I'm just going to basically throw down some dunks today. I'm not going to post the whiteboard up and dunk on the whiteboard like I usually do. But I will get the basketball and we will be right back. All right, it is time to hoop. Ball. Here we go. It's always good to, once you master the footwork, the fundamentals, it's like riding a bike. So even if you're not feeling like you can get above the rim today, you could still be effective. You could still score and get buckets just by using the fundamentals. But I know you came here to see the dunk, so here we go. Here we go. See if I can bring it back now. That's not what I wanted to do. All right, here we go. Trying to end it with the hardest dunk of the day. A couple of windmills, then I'll end it with the most difficult dunk of the day. Woo! I still got it. After all these years, I can still get above the rim. Like a trampoline with 2 scoops of ice cream. All right, here we go. Here we go. I keep it symmetrical with it. Keep it symmetrical. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you all have a great weekend. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, share the Mr. Camilleri Show with your family and friends. And please write in the comments. Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if there's anything you're confused on. And have a great weekend, everybody.